So we took our EIS to bench, connected it as per the connection diagram that provided by Autel, and now we are in the process of calculating the password through our emulator right here. Of course, you need all the connections, your JVCI into your G-Box, 12 volt DC, connected to the back of the EIS, of course a programmer connected to our emulator. Now we're just gonna wait for it to calculate our password so we can add our key. Alright, we got our key password now. It's time to generate key file and make a key for our vehicle. Well, there it is. I just finished putting everything back together. Battery's dead, but as we can see, we got it programmed.